Hey guys, Gail here from My Repurposed Life. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Homeright spray shelter in less than 5 minutes. To begin, lay out your large poles and interlock all the segments. Slide the first pole through the sleeve that's near the back of the shelter. Following this quick video, you will have your shelter up and running, ready to paint in no time. With pole number 2, slide it through the sleeve that's near the front of the shelter. Now, with the base of that pole, locate the pin that's from the rear of the shelter and insert the pin into the pole. Now you'll find the other end of the pole that's in the front of the shelter and use the pin from the rear of the shelter. So you have front pole, rear pin on both sides. Make any adjustments that are necessary to make sure that the fabric is located in the proper area on the poles. Now you'll use the pole that's in the rear sleeve and you will insert the pin from the front of the shelter. Pin from the front of the shelter into the rear pole. By grabbing the strap and walking along with it, you'll be able to easily grab the other pole and insert, again, the pin from the front into the base of the pole that's in the back. Now this gets a little tricky with one person. If you have a helper, it's going to be much easier on you. I struggled a little bit, but up it goes. Come on, Gail, you can do it. Lift it. Adjust your shelter to where you need it to be. You can pick it up and easily move it. Once you get it where you need it to be, you're going to be attaching the frame clips onto the poles, like so. They snap on quickly and easily, one at a time. Notice that the poles crisscross. Now use the ties and wrap it around and tie a bow to keep the shelter secure onto the poles. Do the same for the other side. Once you get that done, you are ready to go with your Finish Max Pro or spray paint.